Hey everyone, we are back. Jyoti here.
Oh, acha. Hey everyone, we are back. Hi Joe,
Yep.
what's up?
What's
What's up, yo?
Yaar, I can't wait to get to this. But
Yes.
there was a thought I had in the 30 seconds between the record.
Interim.
Yeah. What was it? Now it's escaped me. Shit. Sorry.
आ जाएगा, कोई बात नहीं.
It was an important thought, yeah. कहाँ गया?
Wait,
This is the thing with
get it.
thoughts.
Wait for. Don't worry. We wait. We'll wait for it, and then you fast forward this whole thing. Keep the whole thing, but just fast forward it. You know, कि इतना time तो लगा हमें to remember the thought again.
I'll put cricket sounds.
Yeah, exactly.
Just
Come on, Joe.
okay.
What was it? About no, but
It
was it about this?
It was something to do with Manu and Anural, I think, and how.
Did
Anyway,
they know each other before this? Have they? I mean, they've worked before, so they would
I'm
know.
sure they have. Yeah,
But
but okay, it'll come to me. Let's get into the thing.
let's do.
Again, it is produced by O Dimension, the BTS, The Magical Journey of Jhol, and 19 minutes this time. Chalo. Okay,
Yes,
1, 2, 3, play.
ये कितना ज़रूरी है कि वो लोग जो ओन करें उस नैरेटिव को, दुनिया का ऐसा हिस्सा बने कि आप वो दुनिया उनके बगैर सोच ही नहीं सकते.
He looks like such a good boy.
एक दिन ना अब्दुल्ला ने ना मुझे कॉल की, कहता है मानू ने एक गाना लिखा है, आई जस्ट वॉन्ट यू टू हेयर इट, हम कब आएँ. मैं कोई प्लान करना शुरू हुआ तो कल, कहता है अभी आ जाए. मैंने कहा आ जाओ. ठीक है. तो वो जी पहुंच गए दोनों, मानू और अब्दुल्ला.
There's this attitude around pop music. It's somehow inherently less meaningful, but it really takes fine craftsmanship to write the kind of hook that he did.
The moment the song's chorus hit, वो इतना फंस जाने वाली चीज़ थी. सो पीछे क्या चल रहा है फॉर इट टू हिट लाइक दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. यार, you have no idea.
You have no idea. Yes. Yes.
Wow.
I'm Manu and I'm a 25-year-old singer, songwriter, rapper and producer from Lahore.
25?
I think credit for my initial incline towards music वो मेरे पेरेंट्स को जाता है. बचपन से उन्होंने मुझे बहुत सारे म्यूज़िक मुझे सुनाया. जब मैं 8 साल का था तब मुझे क्लासिकल सिंगिंग लेसन्स के लिए एक उस्ताद रखवा दिए थे, जो उस टाइम में मुझे बहुत बुरा लगता था सारा एक्सपीरियंस, because that's nothing that an 8-year-old wants to go through. A levels में जाके I wrote my first song. That's when I think everything changed for me. मैं और मेरा मैनेजर सिक्की हमने डिसाइड किया था कि हम इंस्टाग्राम पे पेज बनाएंगे और उस पे 1 minute वीडियोस डाला करेंगे ऑफ जस्ट me singing with the guitar, and that's how we started out initially. So I found out कि मेरी जो actual voice है वो मेरी song writing में और उस authenticity में belong करती है. जो मुझे उस वक्त एक disconnect feel हो रहा था ये था कि इस generation का कोई भी इंसान जो बैठा है इस वक्त पाकिस्तान में रह रहा है उससे कुछ relatable music in the pop scene नहीं exist कर रहा था. I wanted to push that कि यार like यहाँ के जो narratives हैं, यहाँ की जो कहानी है, I want to hear more of that.
मानू ना is an artist जिसका career various shades हैं. मुझे ना उसका वो नैरेटिव पसंद है कि जहाँ वो ज़्यादा सेंसिटिव है, ज़्यादा इमोशनल है, ज़्यादा मेलोडिक है.
My mom, she was always my #1 fan, always biggest supporter. पहला जो ही मैं गाना लिखता था तो मैं सबसे पहले जाके उनको सुनाता था हमेशा से. Even this song झोल भी जो है ये उनका I think सबसे favorite गाना था that I've ever written. I think I'm gonna miss her like crazy for the rest of my life.
Oh.
मानू के केस में ये लगता है कि जब वो मेलोडी गाता है वो उसकी सेंसिबिलिटी अपनी है. झोल ना इस सेंसिबिलिटी का मेरे लिए की परफेक्ट एग्जांपल. तो मुझे वाकई मानू में प्यार आया जिस तरीके से उसने इस गाने के लिए अपनी दीवारें तोड़ी इसको एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए. जिसके बारे में वो सोचना नहीं चाहता था उसने सोच के उनको एक्सप्रेस किया.
On a very fundamental level, it is a romantic song. जब अपने beloved को ये भी कह रहे हो कि आपसे इतना प्यार है तो आप साथ साथ उसको शिकवा भी कर रहे हो. Really talking about the not so nice things about love as well.
पहली बात तो दिमाग में आई there should be somebody who is responding to मानू. Interestingly जो उसने उसका second verse गाने का लिखा हुआ था ना लगता ही था कि किसी और का point of view है.
Oh.
कि ऐसे जैसे वो मेलोडी बन उस इंसान के लिए रही थी लेकिन उस इंसान को पता नहीं था. तो वो थी अनुराग. In Anural's case, this was tailor-made for her. और जब उसने खुद भी इसमें लिख दिया ना तो बात अब कहीं और चली जाती.
मेरा नाम अनूर खालिद है.
Anural.
My dad says कि मैंने जब बोलना स्टार्ट किया तो मेरे साथ ही गाना भी स्टार्ट कर दिया था.
I've always been the kind of girl that hid my face, so afraid to tell the world what I've got to say.
This is practically the first time I performed और ये मैं हूँ. This was my first encounter with a crowd and it was fun. ये मैंने वो चांद पकड़ा हुआ है तो मुझे खड़े होके बस लाइक चांद पकड़ना. बढ़िया.
How was a treat?
बाबा ने मुझे शुरू से encourage करते थे कि be confident about your singing and music is the one thing just it keeps me sane. I just have to like put my heart into it and like just enjoy it. I was like a cover artist, but then I started writing songs and putting out my own music. आप चाहते हो कि लोग आपके गाने भी सुने, लेकिन उनके दिमाग में आपका वो कवर आर्टिस्ट वाला इमेज एक बन चुका होता है, तो उसको लाइक ब्रेक करना इज रियली हार्ड, बट आई फील लाइक आई एम गेटिंग देयर.
Yeah, you are.
लोगों की एक्सपेक्टेशंस आपसे बढ़ जाती हैं. You have to like only keep moving upwards.
The kind of melodies she writes, the kind of vocal delivery she has, it's all really refreshing.
ये कोरस भी गाया जो उसने अपना वर्स भी गाया. इट वॉज लाइक ओके आवर नैरेटिव इज सॉर्ट ऑफ. हमें वो कन्वर्सेशन मिल गई है दोनों की.
There's this producer who is one of my favorite producers in the country, Abdullah Kasumbi. He actually उसका आइडिया था कि पंजाबी में गाओ तुम.
मानू का एक गाना बेसिकली रिपीट पे सुना था, मेलनकॉलिक. हाँ मुझे बहुत पसंद था. हाँ मुझे मानू की वो साइड बड़ी पसंद आई हुई थी. मैंने मानू को बोला मुझे सैड गाना बनाना है तुम्हारे साथ प्लस पंजाबी.
और उसने मुझे इस तरह से प्रोब ना किया. तो आई थिंक वो मेरी एक न्यू साइड ऑफ माई म्यूज़िक जो कि अब खुल चुकी है, वो कभी खुलती ना.
इन दैट रियल्म जो हमने क्रिएट कर ली है वो देसी भी है, अच्छा ज़बरदस्त इनोवेटिव देसी है मैं कह. और उसके अंदर आप दोनों के एक्सप्रेशन जो यंग पंजाबी एक्सप्रेशन इमोशन है ना, आई जस्ट फील कि वो केमिस्ट्री इज एक्चुअली मैजिकल. With so many energies and so much love has been put into it by Anural and then all of the people over here. इस टाइम पे इमोशनल भी हूँ, खुश भी हूँ कि this song has reached this point. So well done यार, well done everyone.
मुझे हमेशा से लाइक जुल्फी भाई ने बहुत ज़्यादा एक वो भी मुझे दिया कि आई डोंट थिंक तुम रियलाइज़ कर रहे हो कि ये गाना कि तुमने क्या लिख लिया है और कि ये बहुत अच्छी, उनसे मुझे बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस मिला. वन थिंग ही इज़ रियली गुड एट इज़ मेकिंग श्योर दैट यू नो दैट द होल सिस्टम बिलीव्स इन यू लाइक फुली.
In my head, Coke Studio was something not for like normal people. And you know, I can consider myself as like a very, very normal person.
When you have a team of sensitive people and then you also engage them in just listening sessions, तो होता क्या है कि उसमें हर बंदा कनेक्ट होके कोई ना कोई बात, कोई ना कोई आइडिया ऐसा दे सकता है जो उस चीज़ के अंदर ऐसी कंट्रीब्यूशन कर दे जो आइकॉनिक हो, जो मेमोरेबल. बाय बाय, अल्लाह हाफिज़. थैंक यू. बहुत शुक्रिया. अल्लाह हाफिज़. Jhol is like this soundtrack to a very important moment in a love story, in a movie. कि स्टोरी डिफाइन, क्रिएट, कंस्ट्रक्ट करने के लिए बंदा ऐसा चाहिए जो फिल्म स्टोरी सोचता हो. एंड दैट इज व्हाई जमाल केम इनटू द पिक्चर. जमाल इज अ फिल्म मेकर, वो स्टोरी सोचता है.
The first thing that happened when I listened to the song was, you know, it's got such a visceral visual quality. Immediately मुझे कुछ images आना शुरू हो गई थी उसकी. Somehow I imagined some kind of movement. There's something about the song that has a journey in it. Something about that said कि इसमें train होनी चाहिए किसी तरह. There's a melancholy, you feel there's sort of a sadness to it.
Yeah.
This needs to be a hybrid of a short film and a music video. The story is essentially about two star-crossed lovers who are torn apart by external forces. All these opportunities they have to talk to each other, they keep missing them.
He's paranoid. He thinks that I'm like unfaithful.
जो एक मेन फीलिंग बार बार आ रही थी was like this feeling of longing.
Two people, if they could just speak to each other, वो पूरी कहानी easy हो जाती.
Yes.
Anurul and Manu have never acted. I think there was a fair bit of concern कि यार इनको कभी acting करते देखा नहीं है तो क्या होगा.
Was a huge challenge, like putting ourselves into these two characters' shoes.
In character, guys, and action. Win.
अगर हमें 2 दिन पहले ही रिहर्सल ना कराया होता जमाल ने तो it would have been a disaster. Like हम बस हंसते ही रहते सारा वक्त सेट पे. Staring contests हुए हमारे ताकि we break the ice and like get into like professional actor mode. And now we're actors.
We also know that it means something. हुआ ये हमने रिहर्सल की, यहाँ से यहाँ 2 घंटे के अंदर पहुँचे. They started coming up with their own ideas. हमारा कैरेक्टर ये करेगा, वो करेगा, अगर ये ट्राई कर ले, मैंने कहा करो 100 बिस्मिल्लाह, let's do it. मेरा हमेशा प्रोसेस शुरू होता है क्वेश्चन से. Karachi is a city that's historically had these jazz bars and clubs वगैरह.
Oh.
What would have happened if those nightclubs had continued to thrive till today? In that world, there's influences from the West, there's influences from the East. Karachi, historically, as a port city, always had so much influence coming in as the first point of contact. So वो बड़ा एक interesting other world बनता है, which is at once familiar but also something quite new.
Stained glass.
ये ठीक है. इसका वो कंचन बनेगा.
जिस तरह स्टोरी है कि मानू is looking for Anurul and Anurul is looking for Manu and they keep on missing each other. So it was almost like a spark of light that goes and then comes, just like a jugnu.
Wow. Wow.
So jugnu का एक
That's
element
amazing.
South Asian and romantic stories में बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. उसी तरह जो हमारा stage है उसके top पे we have all these little punctured holes of lights. उसके अंदर से वो light criss cross करती है जैसे एक जुगनू गुजरते हुए जा रहा है.
Oof, what a thought.
Beautiful.
So Mo Azmi is someone I've been wanting to work with for a long time. I think he's one of the best cinematographers we have in the country. When I was initially coming up with the concept of what kind of story this would be, I imagined his aesthetic as a cinematographer.
पिछली बार ना वर्ल्ड बिल्डिंग खूबसूरत थी लेकिन वो परफॉर्मेंस स्पेसेस ही थी ये ना परफॉर्मेंस स्पेस तो है लेकिन साथ ही स्टोरी स्पेस भी कमाल फाइट थी हमारे
जितने स्लीक होते हैं ना उतनी शीट लुक आती है I like it now. So what we're creating is big beautiful lines, very British kind of arty tones, but very talking lines.
With Manu, we wanted to do something that was East meets West kind of look. So we went for a shalwar-inspired trouser. We did a tucked-in shirt. I think the silhouette is working really nicely overall. Maroon specifically because we wanted to have them come together as a band. If we were a band, we would be called Maroon 10. So amazing. Like, it's just the best dad joke I've heard in my life. Like, I love it.
फिर 9 o'clock पे अटैक है 9 o'clock पे रिलीज है और 10 o'clock पे मेकअप है ठीक है स्पीड पे आ जाओ स्पीड 000 ड्राइव
Damn. That choker.
Yeah.
I love her outfit.
Rose outfit is revolutionary. It is the serve of the century. I'm not exaggerating. She looks beautiful. It's dark, feminine. It's so tasteful. It's so unique. It's rock and roll. So yeah.
Yes.
सबके कॉस्ट्यूम्स वगैरह देख सकते हैं आप वो काफ़ी विंटेज लुक आ रही है 70s 60s टाइप आ रही सो अमेजिंग स्टफ देयर इज अ लॉट मोर स्टे ट्यून्ड कोक स्टूडियो
Silence, thank you. And regular cameras.
And action! Good! Oh, so good! Both of you, so good!
Action. Noodle.
You know, that same feeling of stuff that you've thought of suddenly coming to fruition, months and months of work, working with my boy here, with a dream. Thank you so much for your support and your kindness and your patience. Thank you all. I think one of the best things about working on Coke Studio is you get to really work with the best of the best. And the vibe is just one of the most sort of creatively electric that I've ever seen.
Jhol ki visual personality is another step sideways into how we can build worlds in Coke Studio. हम story spaces बना रहे हैं. We're taking that freedom to see what else can we do in the Coke Studio world. Jhol is that idea of storytelling.
Music, personally, for me, has been a way of channeling my emotions into something positive. It's just helped me a lot. I didn't have as many friends, being a loner, it was nice to have music.
This is one of those songs that personally means a lot to me because it was my mom's favorite song that I had ever written, and ever since her passing, it's been stuck with me.
She was someone who was so actively involved in my career and in every sort of part of my life, like my bestest friend. Now it's more like I feel like I'm also doing this in some ways for her.
I hope it does well, of course, but I think जो मकसद मेरे लिए था वो पूरा हो गया.
Just took a whole other meaning.
इसके BTS ने complete ऐसे तृप्त कर दिया. जैसे होता है ना गाने को सुन के you go into like when you get mesmerized by a song, and then like how you went into one rabbit hole of researching Manu and researching Anural and like going into their discography and everything, because when something so amazing touches you, this is the impact that it has on the listener. BTS has kind of covered that for me, कि like पूरा देखने के बाद मुझे ऐसे like I'm feeling satisfied of knowing how they created the song, what
Yeah.
all went into it, what their thought, story, like it doesn't feel incomplete from any angle कि यार ये रह गया, they didn't cover this, ये और बताना चाहिए था. It's just feeling so complete right now. Like thank you guys for making the BTS so like well-rounded and complete by itself. That
Giving us
they didn't
closure.
rush it. Yeah, they didn't rush it. They did not like they just went fully and yet they didn't stretch it. Like it was perfectly done. And that cinematic thing clearly shows like so much of a difference it makes, which we don't realize. And like these subtle things, subtle changes that they're kind of bringing in. And कितना जमीन आसमान का फर्क हो जाता है उससे एकदम से. Like
That
for
Jugnu
different thoughts,
element,
different.
I just cannot.
Oof.
I just
Too good,
cannot.
too good.
The light bulbs going on and off, and then that Jugnu element from the top with the light movement. Oof.
और पता है वो फील हो रहा था, which is why I was saying ना कि मुझे
Godsend.
लाइट्स नीचे लगाई हुई
Yeah.
हैं, but did not notice it to this level कि
To
उन्होंने
this,
ये ख्याल था,
ये
ये
thought
करने के
था.
लिए. And so like you now I know when I watch it next, I'm going to appreciate it so much more
More.
with this understanding.
Yeah.
So wow.
First of all, props to Abdullah Kasumbi for helping Manu bring out this side of him more. I just have to put that out there because like you
Wow.
also brought up, I was going back to his discography, and like I said already, I knew him for those fun tracks and those mad tracks. And then I
Yeah.
heard Melancholic and I was like, whoa, how did he write this? It was a surprise. Like, can this guy write like this? And then on, Abdullah's encouragement, he went down that path a lot more. And all his recent songs that I have just added to my own playlist and looped and all of that have been in that zone. And he's such a uniquely exceptional writer in that space.
Correct.
So props to him. And then also props to Abdullah Siddiqui for saying, can we come now? Abhi,
Like he's so like with it,
it
bro.
can't
Like
wait.
full.
Yeah.
Like don't wait for the chance to happen, create it. That's what this is,
Make it happen.
Okay,
Yeah.
like, great, but now.
And then
Abhi
you heard Zulfi's voice at the back when he finished singing. He's like, you don't know what you've made. Like, that
you have no idea.
you have
and
no
aap
idea
cut
as
kar diya.
such. Yeah.
Correct. Wow.
There was a thing, like every creation, every work of art has a living, breathing life, right? And
Yep.
it like that's why I said when it ended with him saying that, I think because this was my mom's favorite song, and because I feel like it's in her like memory and everything that it's come out, and it's taken this form in Coke Studio and all of that. I feel like
Yeah.
वो गाना उसने लिखा था इतने टाइम पहले, वो उसकी अपनी वो थी, उसकी अपनी ऑरा थी,
Correct.
उसकी अपनी लाइफ थी, और उसको ऐसे सामने आना था, और वो it took on a whole new meaning for me because
उसकी
it's like a
अपनी journey
tribute.
चल रही थी. How it came around to intermingling with this journey and to the artist's journey and to like all the journeys intermingling together.
Because he
Wow.
wrote it when his mom was still alive, and it's come
Correct.
out after, so it was like it's in tribute to her now that it's seeing the light of day. So उसकी journey वैसे लिखी हुई थी when it was conceived.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's why it gave a whole other meaning to it for me when the BTS ended. I was thinking, and then like how beautifully Anural added her own story to it and her own essence to it on this pre-written song, because she's also on this journey of finding herself as a singer-songwriter and trying
And
to
being accepted as that.
being
Change
accepted
her.
and breaking free from that cover artist space that she
Correct.
was in.
Correct.
So how beautifully it's like, here's the song for you to show the world that side of you, you know?
And all the while she's thinking she's very, very normal, which clearly now, like with her voice, how can she be?
How
But
could
you
she-
know, she's thinking she's normal.
Have you not
And-
heard your voice, Arural?
And then one is just striving, you know. And then next, you know, you're on Coke Studio, and suddenly, I'm sure she also paused and said, "Wait, did this happen? Like, am I on it? Like, that's..." And like she said that, you
Yeah.
know, Coke Studio is not meant for normal people, and
Yeah.
here I am on it. So
Yeah.
that, wow,
It's a
Oh,
realization.
wow.
I love it. I love it. It's just so beautiful seeing the journey because so many pieces of the puzzle fit in
Yeah.
to complete the picture. And you, every time this happens, you know, and I think I can speak for both of us. Every time we finish watching a magical journey, I am in awe of, you know, the workings of the universe, because every piece comes from some different part, and then it all just fits so well. It's like these forces were meant to converge in this manner, and how it just blows my mind every time. Can I just say, Manu's house is so beautiful. Did you see?
Very aesthetically done.
Very aesthetically,
Yeah.
the blue white color scheme,
And the orange, like there was
And-
like, I think orange in the tannish, like, you know, subtle orange at the back, and
Yes,
then
it's
like
amber.
the blue pillar, and with like photo frames on it. I was just like looking at it going, wow,
Bahut
okay.
hi
And there was this one point when the free, like a window, this thing was made with जैसे पीओपी को बॉटल्स में नहीं डाल देते, तो
Yeah.
उसको और जैसे करके, and that was stuck everywhere. I was like, ये तो बहुत ही artistic house है. ये वो होता है ना कि you try different things and you try अपने ही उसमें. That was like very nicely done. Very
Yeah.
nice.
And that wind chime, that wooden wind chime, which I find very rarely. Mostly people have metal wale. I got a wooden one a long time ago. And
Yeah.
anyway, this sorry.
No, I was just saying, wooden ones always sound like बारिश हो रही है. जैसे
Yeah.
jungle में how बारिश
Yeah.
sounds,
Yeah.
wooden wind chimes always sound like that.
I bought one in Bali. उसका top part एक coconut का half था, और वो
हाँ.
आज तक मेरे मस्कर के घर में garden में टंगा हुआ था. अब तो वो it
हाँ.
broke and, you know, weathered down, but beautiful sound it makes. That painting of, when, you know, the camera stayed on that painting for a while
Yeah.
while he was talking about his mom.
Yeah.
It's a painting / photo, right? It's a very unique work of art there. You know, it's a photo, but they've made it into a painting. Very beautiful, yeah. Beautiful. And what was I saying? The costumes department, like I said, have outdone themselves. When she was showing her play as a kid, this is the first time I was on stage and I was holding the chand. That was my role.
So cute.
Very
So
cute,
cute.
yeah.
Yeah.
You know, my first role was a tree. I was just standing as a tree because I was tall. So I was just standing on the stage like a tree. That was my first role on stage. And my second role was a mother. I was playing a mother where I had only one line to deliver.
So cute.
I was wearing my mom's sari, which you can imagine how many layers were wrapped around me, because I was and I had to literally, the kids are having fun and I have to walk across stage, catch my son by the ear and drag him out saying, "Din bhar khelte rehte ho," or whatever.
I cannot
So
say I've been a
embarrassing.
tree or anything. I was always central
You were a
characters.
center, yes, main
Always.
character.
So never got to be background characters. But yeah.
But
That's amazing though. What fun.
Yeah, but for introvert people like her, because I had me
Yeah.
also, it was the most frightening thing. I was never comfortable doing, like, being on stage that way.
There
Anyway.
was one time I was in background. I just remembered. We had done, there was a Kalbelia dance performance in our prize giving. Okay,
Ah.
this is about 8th standard. So by then I've been on stage many times. Okay, but by 8th standard, this is Kalbelia dance performance which is happening, जिसमें वो 4 घड़े सिर पे रख के और उसके ऊपर आग लगी हुई है, right? And full
Yeah.
आप सिर पे balance करके dance कर रहे हो.
Yeah.
So all my other batchmates were performing that, and पीछे I was the what is that called? Because this was like a girls' hostel, right? So we were all girls. So we were all this. So वो मशाल पकड़ के because पूरा ambience setup था ना, तो there were 4 of us जो मशाल
You're the
पीछे
torch, Mashal.
हाँ मशाल लेके खड़े हुए थे पीछे just for the light up, because there were no lights on stage because there was fire and everything, right? So there was some backlit thing happening, and then there was this fire. And I remember by the end of the performance, like hot oil had fallen on my hand and I'd burnt myself, and I till date have uska nishan. Like I till date have it. Like, you know, and but we kind of held strong, huh? We just held at that, and wo gira vera, I just changed the angle a little bit, but I just dealt with the pain. I was like, because, you know, show must go on. You can't suddenly the middle create issue. And uske baad aake, like I literally have that mark here right now. But
That's amazing. Well, that's a story. Yeah.
I suddenly remembered. I was like, I have been background, of course. This was a dance performance, so not acting. So like, yeah, that's why.
Scarred on stage. The battles we have fought in our lives. Love it.
But anyway,
So then I'm just quickly like skimming through so we don't miss talking about anything. But I just love these jam sessions of theirs. Can't even.
That
Like,
energy is
the energy
just
in the room.
too exciting. Too. Oof.
So good,
It's very
yeah.
good.
And
I was
it's so
also seeing इनके studio की दीवारें वो बहुत सुंदर थी.
Mhm.
Like the way those have also been designed, no? Like that
Mhm.
whole ऊपर नीचे and जो जहाँ पे main console है उसके पीछे it's that blue and orangish red. Like two sides are different. It almost looks like वहाँ पे post-its लगाई हुई हैं, but I'm pretty sure it's not post-its. It must be like created to look like post-its. And though that was merging, I was like ये भी कितना
So
सुंदर है यार. और
nice.
वो उनके studio का inside है. So it was just like very nice. Yes.
I was thinking when Zulfi said that when you hear this song, you think that it's a movie, it needs some kind of this thing. And then the reason he brought this director in, it makes you wonder, because I remember in Real Talk and I asked him, like, how do you know what music elements to add and to
Yeah.
do the final mix master? How do you know the soul of the song and all of that? How do you deliver it? So even when you're trying to deliver the visual of the song, you have
Yeah.
to understand the soul of the song to be able to think कि कैसा video
बिल्कुल.
इसके लिए बनाया जाना चाहिए. And
Yeah,
that
yeah.
itself is a whole other discussion. है ना?
That's
But
how when the director they brought on, that's the first thing he said, na? That the moment I heard it, there were already visuals coming where I knew how I want this to like play out.
Yeah.
So which is like, wow. Yeah.
But they have really created a whole other world.
They have,
And
they have.
I'm still in awe. Blockbuster में भी वो world था और ये ऐसा भी एक world है. And मुझे तो पता ही नहीं था that Karachi had these jazz bars. Like, I
Of
don't
course
know.
they
honestly,
were,
because
मतलब मंटो की
I don't know
सारी
anything.
कहानियों में there is like such strong references of it.
Okay,
And
I'm
like
not.
कितनी और उसमें, yeah, like there's so much,
I don't know those
so much
stories, so I'm
history and
not.
this thing. Yeah,
हाँ.
okay. Yeah.
I have landed in Karachi once, can I tell you?
Really?
Yeah, plane
Like
में and then
as a
flown
hopping
back.
flight वैसे वाला.
Yeah,
Oh.
and then taken off
Extra
again.
hours होते, you could have gone outside and just roamed around a little bit and come.
Yeah, could have.
Yeah.
2 hours
Yeah.
anyway.
हाँ,
So
2
then,
hours में तो
then they learned how to act. That was
so cute, no? But that workshop is so important. That is so true.
important.
I
Yeah.
loved how she was laughing and she was like, पहले हमें कुछ नहीं आता था. Now apparently we're actors. So cutely she said that. That was amazing.
We have
They did a very
graduated.
good job, for
They
sure,
did.
for sure.
They definitely
And
did.
that means the director is that good. You know, a director is totally who can make or break and change an actor's perspective about themselves, about the way they can act, guide them in the right way. So which is very, very well done.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
also how much the clothes and the makeup added to the whole thing, the
So
world.
much.
It was so
Rehearsal versus final, no? Yeah.
important a thing. And yeah, the rehearsal versus final, and also how when she was doing that other girl character's makeup, she was like, these are bold eyes which talk. She had to give it
Yeah.
that, the eye
Yeah.
makeup had to be in that way, otherwise the expressions would be lost. So
Correct.
very nicely done. And I just like, see, they dress the band members in the same uniform
Maroon
type.
10.
Maroon 10.
Wow, 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 wow.
Loved it. Love that dad joke of the year. And then her outfit, can I just say, first of all, I love the shoulder pads. It's a vibe.
And that cape thing also. And,
Yeah.
like just the way it looked on her.
And
like,
the earrings and the hair. I can't get over her hairstyle.
And his
Man,
pants. They said, no, like it's inspired,
Inspired
with
by
that. Like
Sal-
it got the whole look very nice. And that's
So
also
cool.
such a, like it's a unisex outfit. I think it would look very good in women as well and very
That's
good in men
true.
as well. Like
That's
it did look
true.
very good on him. Yeah.
That's
He's 25?
What the hell, yeah. I know. I don't like overachievers. They annoy me. What are you doing?
Wow.
Calm down.
Past life में enough काम किया होगा तब जाके अब like like early on catching on is happening.
But you know how he
Yeah.
said कि मैं 8 साल का था और फिर मुझे म्यूजिक उन क्लासेस में डाल
Yeah.
दिया. तो जब आप छोटे होते हो तब आप कंप्लेन बहुत करते हो. Like one of my
Yeah.
best friends, she's Lebanese, and her father was a pianist, and she used to hate. He put all his 3 kids in piano classes from the time they were like 4 or 5. Like they would go, and she used to hate it, and she used to cry and make us throw a tantrum every time. But she studied the piano till she was like 18, and now she knows how to play it, and she's like, thank God my dad didn't stop the lessons.
See, these are
because of my
genuine
tantrum."
artists.
Yeah.
These are genuine artists because मेरे को भी धकेल दिया था उसमें. मेरा भी शुरू हो गया था 4-5 साल की उम्र से, लेकिन उसके बाद कुछ हुआ नहीं.
Yeah, same. I know.
So
I went.
सबका ऐसे, all our parents tried a lot. Some who were genuine artists succeeded. Others are we. Yes.
No, but some whose parents didn't let up. They're like, no, whether you like it or not, you're going to the class.
Yeah.
This is for
No,
your.
I went for everything. I just kept flitting. I
Oh,
didn't stick to one thing. I kept flitting all the years. Like that's why I have dabbled in a lot of things, but I have not like taken that one thing I mean, except few things, and excelled at them, you know?
Mm.
Like how, like a piano, like how you're talking about your friend. Like she took
Yeah.
that one thing and stuck to that one thing. So
Yeah.
mera to every 3-4 years, I used to shift to something new and then go deep into it for 3-4 years.
Ah,
And then come out.
I couldn't be consistent because I kept moving country, Oman to
Huh.
India to Oman. So
yeah.
all the things happened, and then even while I was there, then it was a transition wala city. So my Kathak teacher left. Her family moved back.
Hmm.
So then that break comes. Then you like there
और तब
was
तो Zoom
no
नहीं था कि
permanence.
online ही शुरू कर सके. हाँ.
Nothing.
हाँ, correct.
Anywho's, we all have our journeys. So beautiful. I'm glad
lovely.
Manu stuck to it.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Yes.
And props
yes.
to his parents for making him follow music the way he did, because ye gana aaj hamare samne hai and we are just
Thank you for it.
in
Like,
debt.
truly thank you to the entire team, you know,
Yes.
who's made this song happen. This song it's for the ages. ये मतलब ये हो गया. ये season 15 का जो हम कह रहे थे ना कि अब क्या होगा? What is that one thing? What is that? जैसे older seasons, there is always Pasuri to top पे आता है. While all other songs, they're so good, right? There are always that one
मिलेंगे
song
from-
which one just फिर मिलेंगे.
Yeah.
Exactly. So I mean, okay.
मेहरम,
पिछले उसमें
sorry,
3-4 थे, बहुत सारे
बहुत,
थे.
हाँ.
इसमें भी हैं. But you know that हर एक की एक वो top of recall वाला एक गाना होता है. ये गाना उस लिस्ट में शामिल 100% होगा. Like,
Yeah.
you know, it's one of those.
This is a
So, yeah,
classic.
thank you for it. Yeah.
It's gonna live on through the ages. How many people have looped it? I am in shock at the messages I've gotten this past week.
We
They
should
must
create
have
like a
gotten
long
enough.
reel of all the messages, whichever like the top messages, if when and if you get time, and then like, you know, post it. Why
Yeah,
not?
Post season.
Yeah.
अभी तो
हाँ,
हम
post
सीजन में
season,
इतने
जब
घुसे
जब
हुए
हम
हैं
ऐसे
कि
बाद में रो धो के जब याद कर रहे होंगे ना कि वाह वाह कितना अच्छा था तब
जब लाइफ में और कुछ बचा
तब तो
नहीं
सारे
होगा.
messages भी आ जाएंगे.
Yes.
हाँ, correct.
Yeah.
correct.
Don't stop messaging, okay? Whenever you're
हाँ.
listening to a Coke Studio song, even after the season ends, just message me. I love reading.
Yeah.
Okay, so that'll continue. Thank you, Manu, Anural, Zulfi, all the Abdullahs, all of you, everyone on the crew, the BTS team. You all have given us another reason to love life. Yay. On that note, we'll see you in the next one. ये release होने में हमारा reaction देर हो गई है, also because the song released early. लेकिन before the next song, this will be out and then we'll see you in the next one.
Very nice. Blame them for it. हाँ, ठीक है. Very good.
Take care. Chalo, live long.